Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Sureshakasman ahino shivajram Purasite vairinimayamogam Na samshayishta nagadeva vajraha Syanishvalaha kripanartheva yachna. O King of the demigods, since I, your enemy, am standing before you, why don't you hurl your thunderbolt at me? Although your attack upon me with the club was certainly useless, like a request of money from a mice, of the thunderbolt you carry will not be useless. You need not have any doubts about this. So why is Vritasure saying so? He looks to be having more faith. When Vritasure appeared, all the devatas were in great trouble. So what did they do? So the devatas, they went to Lord Vishnu and they prayed that we have a great trouble here. What is the trouble? That a ferocious demon has appeared. And we don't know what to do with him. We don't know how to fight. Looking at him, we are scared. He's so huge, so powerful. We threw weapons at him and he swallowed all the weapons. Forget about even touching them. Can't even imagine such a ferocious demon. So please save us. We are going to lose all our comforts, all our enjoyment. My Lord, you save us. So Lord came and as usual scolded them. And is this to ask for? This is not a devotee's symptom. You should ask for devotion service. Anyway, so Lord is always Bhakta Vatsala. He's kind to the devotees. So it's okay. I'll fulfill your desire. To go to Dadichi, ask Dadichi for his bones. That means he has to leave his body. From the bones, Vishwakarma will make a weapon from Dadichi's bones, because his bones are very powerful, because tapasya, and that will be called Narayana Astra. With that weapon you can fight with this fellow, he will die. So he gave that benediction and he went away. So they went to Dadichi, look at the shamelessness. They are asking a saint to give his body because they want to kill a demon. Anyway, Dadichi was a self-realized person. He knew because Krishna has given that advice. Okay, fine. He sat in meditation, left his body, gave his body to them, left his body, went back to the spiritual world. Devatas are clouded because there is a desire for material enjoyment also. They are devotees, actually great devotees. So they anyway got the weapon done and they came to fight now. And when they were fighting, actually, they were very enthusiastic, very powerful. and the demons all ran away. So Vritasure scolded the devatas. First he scolded the demons, why you run away? It's not glorious to run away from a battlefield, shameless. Then he scolded the devatas, what are you doing? You throwing weapons at their back when they are running away. According to rules of Kshatriya Dharma, we should not hit an enemy who is in a fearful condition. So why you are doing like this? And they are running away, and you at their back you are throwing weapons. Doesn't give you a befitting position. You are devatas. Imagine his authority. He's able to scold demons. That's okay. He was the biggest among them. He's able to scold even devatas. And then he roared, okay, any one of you has courage to fight, come to fight with me. Let us see. You look so powerful. Huh? And then he roared like a lion roars. His sound was so huge, some of the devatas fainted. Could not bear, they were so fearful they became. So anyway, so Indra took courage. He came forward and threw a club at this demon called Vritasure. And what did the demon do? He caught that club in his hand. And then with that small club for him, which was like a small, like a nail, hit the head of his elephant called Airavata. And what happened? Airavata cried in pain and ran back, many steps and fell on the ground. And Indra also fell on the ground, and his weapon also, separated from him. Now one more hit of that from that club on Indra's head. Indra's chapter is over. War is over. Because war is between two leaders. When you kill the leader, war is over. That's why in Mahabharata war, they're trying to kidnap Yudhishthira. Because war was between Duryodhana and Yudhishthira, who will be the ruler. If Duryodhana wins, if Yudhishthira is captured, war is over. Very simple. Therefore, Dronacharya was trying to capture Yudhishthira. Because of Bhima and Satyaki, it never happened. They used to take Arjuna away and attack Yudhishthira to capture him. But not only Arjuna, they had another good warriors they used to protect. The same way, the war would have been over. The fight is between me and Indra. He is your king and I am the king of the demons. If I win, over. If the Indra dies, over. So you could have finished Indra with one small one, over. But Indra, he left him. Pick it. Because Kshatriya Dharma, we should not kill an enemy which is unarmed. He followed. He is a demon. Vedic culture, even demon followed rules and regulation. Even you see sometime Duryodhana, when Arjuna went to him in one of the days, end of the day, he said, Duryodhana, you remember you gave me a vow that you will give me, except you gave me once a vow. Duryodhana said, yes, you had saved me one time and I said, I give you one Vardhan. And you said you'll ask when you want. Okay, what do you want? You want the kingdom. No. That I'm going to fight it out. I don't want the kingdom from you. Then what do you want? Give me the 5 arrows that Bhishma has prepared and you kept with you. So Duryodhana said, okay, take. Imagine. Even a demon is following rules and regulation. Even the Kauravas, after Abhimanyu Vad, both sides broke all the rules. But before that, even in the night they were not fighting. They were sitting and talking and discussing. Daytime they used to fight. So can you imagine? Imagine in previous ages, even the demons were powerful because they also followed some rules and regulations of the Vedas. Today, what is the condition? Therefore, Kali Yuga is all crazy. Forget the even demons. Nobody follows rules and regulations today. The rules and regulations are what you can say the ornaments of a devotee. Ornaments. That's how a devotee is decorated. He follows rules. Now the situation has come. So Vritasure is not killing Indra, and he says, no problem, Indra. You pick up the weapon. So Indra takes an opportunity. He has some special powers. Some nectar he can produce at any time. And he put that hand, he touches Airavata. And by the blessing of Indra, by the special power of Indra, Airavata wound get healed. Actually, wound was there now because of hit of that club. So it gets healed and Airavata gets up. And then he's still scared now to throw anything at him. Because anything he throws, he'll catch it and hit him again. So he doesn't know what to do. So at that time, what is happening? It looks like somebody is having more faith. Vritasure says, Indra, why you are not having faith? This weapon has been made on the order of Krishna. It will not fail. Have faith. It's very interesting actually that Vritasure, Prabhupada says in the purport, is happy because he's waiting to die. And Indra is also happy because after the war he can enjoy the kingdom. So devotee's situation is totally different actually. We cannot understand their situation. Krishna always says in the Bhagavad Gita that Samha Sarveshu Bhuteshu, I am equal to all the living entity, but I am specially inclined to my devotees. So Prabhupada says in the purport there that this special favor of Krishna is on transcendental plane, not on karma kanda. Not on karma kanda. Necessarily it is not on karma kanda. It is on transcendental plane. It is not easy to understand. We know Duryodhana's war with Duryodhana and Arjuna when he went to Krishna for the benediction. Krishna said, okay, what do you want? Take. So Duryodhana, he gave choice, and Duryodhana was very happy to get an auction of soldiers, powerful soldiers of Lord Krishna, some Narayana, some soldiers. And Arjuna was happy just to have Krishna. So Krishna will satisfy according to what you want, provided what you want in life. What you want. We have to make a decision. What do I want? Krishna I fulfill. Krishna is the fulfiller of the desires of the living entity. Nityo nityanam chetanas chetananam ego bhavanava dadati kaman. All the desires of the living entity are satisfied by Krishna. As the Supreme Father, he fulfills the desire. Okay, what do you want? You want this, take. So now Vritasure, what does he want? He wants to go back to Krishna and serve Krishna. And what does this person want? Indra, he wants to enjoy. By having a nice throne, having some apsaras, he wants to enjoy. Krishna satisfies both. But you can, if you have intelligence, you can understand actually Krishna favored Vritasure, but not on the material plane. If you are intelligent, you can know Krishna favored Arjuna, but not on the material plane. On material, Duryodhana was on a material plane. What he thought was successful? To get a big army by which he can fight the war. Got one Akshani. He had 11, he got one here. And Pandavas had 7. Look at this foolish fellow. He has only 7. I am already was above by 3. Now I am above by 4 Akshani. I almost have a double army. Correct? Almost. He had army was almost double. At least 1/3 more. So what this person will do? Buddhu. He was very happy. And Arjuna was also happy. I have Krishna with me. It doesn't matter now. I will win the war or lose the war. That's not important. I have Krishna with me. Your life is successful. So devotee with Asura, he knows he has Krishna. He has firm faith. Avaksha Rakshive Krishna. Certainly Krishna will give me protection. What kind of protection? He is not thinking Krishna will protect me to win this war. No. That is not his criteria. He knows Krishna, what is the protection devotee wants? He doesn't want to be captured by Maya. Not other protection devotee is looking for. Okay? That is not the protection a devotee should aspire. Devotee aspires only one protection. That Krishna will give me shelter at his lotus feet. That's all. So Arjuna is very happy. I got shelter of Krishna's lotus feet. Vritasure is very happy. He has full confidence. I am dedicated to serve Krishna. Definitely Krishna will give me his lotus feet. And I can offer wonderful service at his lotus feet. So this is an opportunity which has been misunderstood. Indra also had an opportunity when Krishna came, when he prayed, when the demons came. What happened at that moment? And when Vritasura appeared, Indra prayed to the Lord with the Devata. When the Lord came, Indra could also pray. Just give me shelter at your lotus feet. There was no need for him to ask anything else. Peaceful. But no, give me, you killed this demon. He gave the list. And Narasimhadeva, you killed Hiranyakashipu. And Varahadev, you killed Hiranyaksha. At this incarnation, you killed him. In this incarnation, you killed him. Therefore, my Lord, today, please kill this demon Vritasura. Krishna said, okay, I'll do it. So, we try to understand. Ye yatham mam prapadyanti. Krishna will fulfill what you want. To the degree you surrender, to that degree Krishna will reciprocate. Okay? So now Krishna's reciprocation is happening to Vritasura. But seemingly from the material viewpoint, Krishna was unfair to Vritasura. Vritasura was a great devotee. Why he should have been killed? Indra is Sakama Bhakta. Indra is a devotee with so many desires. There was no need to protect Indra. Krishna could have killed Indra, but no. Rather, Krishna, give an example. Prabhupada, this is a very nice example. Sometimes, he says mother-in-law wants to scold the daughter-in-law. She scolds her own daughter. So she gets the message. Okay? You understand? She can't tell daughter-in-law. Tell the daughter, why? Why you do like this? Daughter-in-law is hearing. So, that's why it is said indirectly. The same way, through an example of a devotee, Krishna teaches everybody. Actually, he is teaching Indra, look, what is a devotee? He instructed him, it doesn't get in his head. Because unless you have a personal example of a pure devotee, you will not understand what is pure devotion. It's a story. होता है, डिवोटी होते हैं जो कोई डिज़ायर नहीं होता है, जस्ट भगवान की सेवा करते हैं, अच्छा लगता है सुनने में. But you cannot do it. You need an ideal, a hero, an example for it. Right in the battle, Krishna created an example for Indra. Watch now. Watch my devotee now. Seemingly, externally, Vritasura will go through a very, very difficult phase now. His hands will be cut. He will be slaughtered now in the battlefield. But he is completely at the lotus feet of Krishna. He doesn't feel anything. Just like Haridas Thakur was caned in 22 marketplaces. Seemingly, this is horrible. Why did Krishna permit this? Krishna is giving an example to the world. See my devotee. He has still faith in me, even though he was caned. They tried to cane him to death in the marketplaces. Correct? But then what about the devotee? No, devotee, because he is holding the lotus feet of Krishna, Prabhupada said that by the mercy of Krishna, he comes out successful from this test. For him, it becomes a test of his faith in Krishna. And he comes out successful. He holds on to the lotus feet of Krishna and doesn't lose anything. The same way, the Vritasura goes through a very big test now. He is going to face defeat in the war, even though he is much more powerful. Because of the will of the Lord, Indra has a Narayanastra which cannot fail. So he is going to face defeat, but he is not feeling sad. He is waiting for his death. Most of the people are waiting to more and more to live in this world. Correct? They do not want. A devotee accepts the will of the Lord very happily and joyfully. So very happily and joyfully accepts the will of the Lord. Okay, my Lord, you want me to see this situation? I accept it. He doesn't curse the situation. Very happy, very peaceful. And now he will offer wonderful prayers to Lord Krishna after the shloka. Wonderful prayers, one after another. And in fact, these prayers are so beautiful that some Puranas glorify Bhagavatam for that. The Bhagavatam is a great scripture which records the prayers of Vritasura, because very unique. A demon is offering prayers to the Lord. And not ordinary, exemplary prayers is offering to the Lord of total surrender. So this prayers will start now. And we are here in Bhagavatam to appreciate Vritasura. Therefore, Vedavyasa says, Shri Vritasura Vacha, great personality Vritasura is speaking, even though externally happens to be a demon. So imagine such a difficult condition if Vritasura can accept and continue to be a devotee and offer a devotion service. What is there for us? We should also accept any situation that we have. And we should not think the situation is going to last forever. We are temporarily in a position of comfort maybe. Actually, there is no comfort in the material world because Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadhi is always harassing. But there is a point when seemingly the harassment is a little less. You start feeling very secure. There is no security in this world. That is not possible. It's a very insecure place. Sada samudvigna griham asat grihat. Therefore, this word is asat. Asat means a temporary place. And we are all in anxiety because of that. Constant anxiety. Okay, so Vritasura accepts his situation. Anyway, I have to die one day. By the will of the Lord, I am going to die. I accept this. Krishna decided I am going to die now. I accept this because Krishna is my well-wisher. He cannot do anything wrong. If he has willed like that, there is good for me in that. He accepts his death. Srila Prabhupada ki, Srimad Bhagavatam ki.
Krishna,